Peace and love, family. So this video I'm gonna go over 5 things you can use to manifest faster. First off, I'll start with is, well, if you want to manifest money faster, I guess the first thing you can start with is money. Because money carries the physical, vibration of money, obviously, but paper, the physical paper, that you can touch. So I keep money on my altar. It's probably best to have a separate money altar. Money attracts money. So the more money you have, the more powerful it is at attracting more money. So AKA bigger bills, the bigger bills you have, the more powerful it is. So, a $1 bill would be not as strong as a $100 bill. So, so keep all that money in one spot and then, program that money to attract more money. And if you're keeping money in your wallet, how you should keep it for energetically speaking, you should have the biggest bills in the back, biggest to smallest. So if you open up your wallet and you're looking, it should go ones in the front and then hundreds in the back, biggest to smallest. Don't keep receipts in your wallet or your purse. Don't keep debts, anything that, says you owed money or anything like that, any credits, loans, receipts, stuff like that, or any cards that have a negative balance, don't keep those in your wallet or your purse. That's negative money. It will attract more negative money. So, boom, number 1 was money. Number 2, next item that'll help you manifest faster and manifest better, I would say, is a yantra. Now, this is my little Shrimbrzi Lakshmi yantra. This isn't the official Shrimbrzi one, like the one you would see on Dr. Palai's website, but this is a yantra for Lakshmi. So these are pretty much like power stations. So, I sit this somewhere and it will be, pretty much like a physical manifestation of the mantra. So to pretty much be resonating the mantra that is programmed to and attracting money and money vibrations while you're not even around, So you set this up somewhere in your household and it'll be attracting money on its own, And then when you meditate and stuff like that, and when you chant the mantra, you hold this while you're doing it, and it'll make your sessions more powerful. Boom. So get you a yantra. I got this on Amazon. You can get the official Shrimbrzi yantra on Dr. Palai's website. So, number 3, crystal. Quartz crystal, the most powerful for manifesting, I would say, because they're programmable. All crystals are pretty much programmable, but if they're not clear, mainly clear quartz is, it's not any color, so it doesn't have a predetermined job, so to say. Anything that, like this, can be programmed, all crystals are programmed, they got a job, but, the different colors have their own set of characteristics already. So mainly, and it doesn't apply to every single stone that has the corresponding color, but 9 times out of 10, that stone will behave according to its color. So for example, green is usually for healing. Green is the most powerful, you know, color, so to speak, when doing energetic healing. So this is the best color, the best type of color to do physical healing on the body. And then green is also good for attracting wealth and abundance, you know, and prosperity. So so most green stones are going to attract money and they're going to be good at healing, you know. So but that doesn't mean all green stones will do that, you know. But so that's why clear quartz is one of the most powerful, because it doesn't have a color, it's clear, so it pretty much carries the frequency of all colors, you know, depending on what you want to program it to. So crystals, get you some crystals, you know, and whatever you're trying to manifest, think about it, hold the crystal, program this crystal, say this crystal will attract abundance, this crystal will attract abundance, this crystal will attract abundance, and it will do just that, you know. So boom, get you some crystals. The best crystals for money are green aventurine, citrine, and tiger's eye attracts money as well. Pyrite attracts money. And yeah, so get you some crystals. Now, fourthly, moving on, tied in with that, get you some orgonite. Orgonite is just crystals and metals stacked in layers, pretty much, cured with a polyurethane resin that holds it together and squeezes on all those crystals and objects in there, and pretty much makes it emit negative ions, which, you know, heals all living organisms. You know, did a video on it. You can watch the orgonite video, but for manifesting purposes, has crystals in it. You can program it, and if you see, what do we got? 2 pyramids. So the pyramidal structure alone has its own manifesting qualities. If you're familiar with sacred geometry and all that, the pyramid is why you see them in the pyramid shape all the time, because the pyramid alone attracts, you know, is very powerful. And when you put the crystals and all that in there, you can program this whole device to attract wealth and abundance, you know, and manifest with it. So boom, get you some orgonite if you need some. I sell them all on my website, crystals and orgonite and everything. So fifth, boom, lastly, is get you Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. She has been working wonders for me since I was introduced to her and her mantra. She will very much help you at attracting more abundance and wealth and manifesting faster. So get familiar with this deity and Shrimbhrzi, and it'll be a wrap from there. So those are 5 items to help you manifest faster. Get them ASAP. Love y'all. Peace.